The echo in here is so good, we should do some burps. Pretty good, right? What was that on a scale of 1 to 10?
6.
No.
Could have been louder.
That was at least an 8.
Could have been way louder.
Oh, I see. It's all about volume with this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you volume. Oh no, that's not a good one. Give me a sec.
Wait lunch.
Oh, it's coming.
See, that was a solid 8.
Solid 8.
But yeah, he's wow. Changed my lifestyle. Yes, that's exactly what that means. A kid is an excuse. Like, look, I get a little tricky. A lot of people disgusted. Step 7: to dress the wound. Check it out.
I'm gonna be doing that more of, but let's get to the top 10 releases of January. I'm gonna come up here and see they had the shoes. Forgive me or save your money. But I'm glad to get these in hand. These
Ew. How much I put? 5 hours. I don't know.
Your guy.
Here we go. Good morning, Kristen. Yeah, I mean, it is my leg. Holy shit.
You're burping in the camera.
That's burping.
You scared the shit.
But dog tent. We gotta get to work. I like to fuck. I don't.
Oh.
Because you're disgusting.
I don't happy I'm holding my little sister's hand. Alright, can we pray now? We forgot to pray.
Or I'm a liar. I don't lie about anything.
The breakup.
Somewhat familiar. Can you wait? Noticed we fight a lot, especially. I don't know. I hate the fact that everyone. Oh, I probably should be more sensitive and not burp out loud. It's about, but it's called I Need a Job. What was that? Come back next. I just burped myself. I literally just burped myself. Bitch, I fit anywhere. I'm not fat anymore. Let's do this thing. Man, I've been feeling like I need to get burped recently. Be in good hands after all. Where'd that come from? Break your hearts and you'll regret it. Man, I'm so bored.